What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, 6-Star Driver, and on today's episode I have a 2006 Ford Mustang GT. As you guys can see, it has light damages to the front bumper, driver's side fender, and the headlight lens is cracked. I will focus on the fender, the bumper, and some other miscellaneous stuff on this video. For everyone who's been following the movement, my supporters, my subscribers, the whole YouTube family as a whole, I apologize for the delay. I'm supposed to be putting out at least 2 videos a week, but I've been consumed with relationship and other personal issues. But enough of that for now. Back to my therapy session, which is spending time with these cars. And if you're new here, please join the movement. Smash the subscribe and the like button. It helps me out a lot with the YouTube algorithms. I want to grow, and please help me grow. Enough of me talking. Let's get back to the video you guys came here for. I was having some sputtering issues with the Mustang. Now we're going to change the fuel pump, which is over here. It does have 2, but I believe the left side is the one we're going to be fixing, replacing. Just ordered a brand new one. Took the seat out. Time to work. That right there is fixed. Time to tighten this shit up. Make sure to keep the notification turned on so you can see more videos on my Salvage rebuilds. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.